Oh, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Woo! All right, you guys. We're kind of getting our kayaks ready here for tomorrow's camping trip. You know, just getting some gear ready. We're gonna be camping in the San Joaquin River. We have access to this property here a few miles west of Skaggs Bridge Park. So our plan is to pretty much float around that area and camp overnight. And this is the 24-hour challenge series. We're just kind of figuring everything out here. Loading stuff up, figuring stuff out. I actually had to bust out the cargo basket here. Loading stuff up. So we are finally out here at the launch spot. Kind of got things all over the place here. We're kind of setting up the kayaks. We got the kayaks out here. We got all the gear everywhere. So all this stuff pretty much has to go on 4 kayaks. We got my brother Jorge out here, my brother Raul, my good friend Titus. All right, so they launched out. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to launch as well. And let me give you a quick overview here of my yak. We got from the bow to stern here. We got the net here. Of course, we got the Yak Attack. What is it called? Track pack. Double track pack. We got our seat. We got the dry bag. We got the tripod, the water, the cooking utensils, the good old Black Pack Pro, the rods. We got the cooler with all the good stuff. We got the, I think it's sleeping bags in there. Over here, we got my buddies up. Man, we're packing. We're packing. That's all I gotta say. You guys can see it for yourself. We are packing. We never really pushed the weight limit on these kayaks like this before. I know I haven't.
I've never have either.
So this is gonna be interesting. You guys stay tuned. Crazy, huh? See that shit, bro? My shit's dummy low. Really testing out the weight limit to this. Yep. No spot? No, it's on the other side. On the other side of those pads. On the other side of those pads. Looks pretty juicy here too. Bass Mac and Lures glide bait here. Let's go. Glide bait fishing today, boys. Oh, this camera's pretty good right here too. Last time we were here, we actually seen some big spots here. Big boys. So hopefully we see some big boys today. Hopefully we find some 12, 15-inch bass too, because we are trying to do a catch and cook. There. That look good right there. I'm sorry, what? Yeah, we have to go back in the main river to get to the spot. Is that what you're asking? Yeah. This is like a dead end here. When it's higher, it does connect, but it looks like it's all that grass over there. It looks like it's probably a dead end. Let it be. Oh. Gotta let him take it, man. being too impatient. No corn. No corn.
What's on? What's this?
Just got a good hit right now. I have a hair rig. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, that's a good one. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. That's a good one. Come on, come on. Oh, stay down, stay down. Oh, that's a good one. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Woo! Boy! Oh my God, that's a good one right there. Wow. Bro, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Look at it right here. This is it. On the jerkbait. Look at that.
Nice strike, freaking spotted.
Look at that bad boy right there. Probably solid 2. Look at that tummy though. Like my boy says, tummy the fuck. Bro, look at this.
That thing is chunky, bro.
Right at the camp, bro. Now you gonna tell me this ain't a good spot? Bro, I was so excited. I felt the power. Oh my God. This right here, we're hooting and hollering like little children, but that's the passion we have for these green ditch pickles here, or in this case, green river pickles. These little slimy bastards. Sometimes it can be a love-hate relationship when they don't bite, but all day, kind of fishing on and off. I wouldn't say we're like exactly super fishing, but my first fish, it's a quality fish. All right, you guys, it's about, I think it's 6 p.m. We made it back to camp here and just made it around the corner here from this little narrow path here that comes in down river, and just throwing the good old jerk bait, throwing that Guggen jerk bait, and I hooked onto the first fish of the day. It's a pretty good spotted bass, actually. Let me show you guys. Let me show y'all. Look at this bad boy. Look at that tummy. This is probably close to 3-pounder here, 2.5 maybe. It's a beautiful fish. So pretty much today we were fishing I think for like 3 hours, from like 2 o'clock to like 5:30. We were fishing for carp. We had a few bites, no hookups, but man, it was crazy because I seen probably like 30 carp just floating close to the up in the water column, close to the surface. I did see like a potential PB carp, like 20-pounder. It was kind of crazy, so that's why we got stuck fishing for carp there. My buddy T-Man caught a few red ear, and then my brother also caught a few red ear. So we're gonna go ahead and do a catch and cook for you guys. You guys stay tuned. 264. I don't know if that comes across camera or not. 264, 2.5 pounder.
2.5?
2.5, 264.
That's definitely some guide crap right there. My dude is chilling all day, not really like really fishing. At the end of the day, like, I'm gonna show y'all what it is.
I'm gonna show y'all.
Look, this how you're supposed to do it.
Huh. Quit fucking guys.
Hey, right? Over here catching bluegill and shit.
This is what you're supposed to be catching. Let's bleed them out. There you go. Starting that fire. Cheers, man. To a good camping trip. To a good camping trip, my boys.
Heck yeah. Accelerator.
Let's do it.
Oh, that's not bad.
We are warming up that cheddar broccoli soup here. Fire is roaring.
Hold on, I'm doing this.
Bro, just take over, get it. Roll. Camera.
Handle it, bro.
Here, roll. Hold on. Get that fire. On that?
It's a little hook. It's a little hook.
Bring it in.
Oh my God, what did you
The
have?
net, you saw me keep looking at it, right? And the water is fire.
Cheddar broccoli soup is all done. We got the gillies.
Okay.
We're about to make some tacos.
I'm down for it.
All right, got them bluegills, them red ears, I should say, all scored up. Gonna put this cilantro, lime, pepper, salt on it. Throw them in that oil, know what I'm saying? There it is. Give them a good flip here. Coat them up in this spice here. We got that oil piping hot, ready to go. There you go, right there. Look at these shell crackers right here. Oh yeah. Gotta throw some of this sriracha here in the bag so we can coat our fillets. Give it a good shake here. All right, guys. So after we cook, you know, it's time to eat. Here, like I told you guys earlier, we my buddies here caught some red ears, some shell crackers. We cooked them up. And then we also have some spotted bass, you know, very good. We got some hot links, some hot dogs. Let's get into it, man. Try that spotted bass first.
Hell no.
Got a little shell cracker here. Pretty dang good, all crispy. Tail. You could also just, you know. Delicious. Just eat the fish. Why not? Try it. It's gonna be good.
Oh no, he did some. I think he's either small or I don't have them on. And I think it's option. I don't have them on.
I think it's a small one.
No, I don't have them on. I don't feel that.
He was on there when I picked that motherfucker.
Oh yeah, he was on there.
I think I need to tighten up my drag a little bit more. Damn, I think my phone is.
What you?
All right, guys, it's the next morning here. We just woke up. It's around 6 a.m. We had a long night. It was kind of chilly last night. We had some rods out. Bells were going off all night, but there was no fish this morning to show for it. Immediately we started a fire here this morning to kind of warm up. It is fairly cold. It's 43 degrees out here. So we're gonna go ahead and make some coffee, make some hot chocolate, maybe get some breakfast going. You guys stay tuned. Water's boiling. Throw it in the French press here. All right, we're packing up and heading back to the launch. Pretty much an interesting day today. Did some bass fishing, did some carp fishing, some bluegill fishing. Pretty fun.